talking today about the read aloud and one of the most underused and highly valuable things you as the parent or caregiver can do with your child. It's called wondering aloud, and it's different from asking questions during a read aloud. Wondering aloud shows out loud all of the deep thinking that happens when a good reader reads. I'm going to show you what it looks like very briefly with one old and timely favorite. I look up to Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Let me tell you why. Ruth is smart. Wow, I see all of these books here and it looks like she's reaching for a book. I know that reading a lot of books makes you smart. She reads, listens, and thinks before she makes a decision. I'm a very strong believer in listening and learning from others. I see all these diplomas here, and I know that having a lot of diplomas means that you've probably learned a lot. And I see her again with a light on her, eagerly reading. I know she's eager because her eyes are glued on it and there's a smile on her face. In wondering aloud, you're just saying what you're thinking right out loud so that your child can follow along with your thought process. This helps them, when they're reading on their own, to think about all of the ways that they can be making sense of text as they're reading. So next time you want to ask your child a question, think about, is this an important question that I really think they're going to want to answer, or should I just wonder aloud and show them what I'm thinking instead?